Welcome to the mobile memory debate. We're asking a critical question. Is the jump to the new LPDDR6 memory a true speed advancement or just marketing hype? We'll compare LPDDR5X, the current standard, with the upcoming LPDDR6 to see what the mobile future holds. Looking back, memory speeds have consistently accelerated. LPDDR4X in 2017 offered 4.2 gigabits per second. LPDDR5 boosted that to 6.4 gigabits per second. Today's LPDDR5X flagships hit 9.6 gigabits per second. LPDDR6 promises to exceed 12.8 gigabits per second when it arrives in 2025. LPDDR5X is the modern memory standard found in top-tier phones like the Samsung S24 and iPhone 15 Pro. It provides 9.6 gigabits per second bandwidth and is optimized for the latest processors, ensuring smooth, powerful performance for current applications. LPDDR6 represents the next major leap in mobile memory. Targeting bandwidth over 12.8 gigabits per second, its aim is to eliminate mobile bottlenecks entirely. This upgrade is critical for driving the next generation of demanding mobile tasks. Comparing the throughput, LPDDR6's base speed is 12.8 gigabits per second, with max speeds projected up to 14.4 gigabits per second. This provides a raw speed increase of about 50% over LPDDR5X, a significant jump in data handling capacity. Will your phone feel faster? For daily tasks like email and browsing, you'll see minimal change, as they aren't memory bandwidth limited. However, for heavy tasks like gaming, AI models, and 8K video, LPDDR6 will provide a significantly smoother experience. We need LPDDR6 primarily for next-generation mobile use cases. These include on-device AI needing massive data throughput, ultra gaming with ray tracing, and 8K video recording, which demands high-speed, sustained write performance. A key focus for LPDDR6 is efficiency. Despite the speed increase, it aims for a 20% reduction in power consumption during idle states through low-voltage modes. This translates to longer battery life and a better thermal profile. So, do you need LPDDR6 right now? For most users, LPDDR5X is more than sufficient. Unless you are a professional gamer or an AI developer pushing the limits, your current device is safe until LPDDR6 is the standard, likely around 2026. In summary, LPDDR5X focuses on multitasking at 9.6 gigabits per second and is available now. LPDDR6's focus is generative AI, offering speeds up to 14.4 gigabits per second and approximately 20% better efficiency. It is expected to be widely available in 2026. LPDDR6 will debut in flagship devices, specifically those powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, marking 2026 as the year this new memory standard begins its mobile reign.